our house, we built a room that is supposed to be a storage room, and currently, as you can see, it is a giant mess, and it can be more efficient by adding more shelves and storage. And today in this video is going to be part one out of hopefully not too many parts of turning this room in a proper storage room with actual storage where we can store things more efficient. So in this video we're going to get started by actually making a countertop over here. Well, not really a countertop, but I guess we wanted to make a desk over here, but we moved our whole computer setup. This was supposed to be the setup, but we moved it in our tower extension. So here, I guess we're just gonna put a counter, and below it, we're gonna put a lot of storage, shelves, cupboard, drawers, we will see. So in this video, we are gonna focus on that side, but first we gotta clear the lab. So let's do that quickly and then get on with work. Okay, how far do we clean? Because this one over here, it's kind of organized.
This isn't organized.
Okay, then pick that up. There's just one pack of buckwheat, I know.
Yeah, I ate that too. Oh, that's a heavy one.
Also, the whole point of organizing it is because in summer we're gonna have like more people coming over, and it's just gonna be such a mess for everyone to find things that everything's gonna turn into a mess. So I'd rather have it organized. So yeah, it's organized. Here's extra lids.
For what?
I don't know, we always have boxes without lids and then lids without boxes. I don't get it. I hope I don't find a dead mouse. That would be bad. Oh, there's a mouse. There's a mouse.
Oh, quick, you saw it.
Yeah. Woo. I said, I hope I don't find a dead mouse, and always it has to be me, the one that finds it. Why? David never finds it. Me cleaning up, it always has to be in front of me. So as you can see, we have cleaned everything up here so we can work, but we forgot to close that once we first built it, so we actually have to go cut a wood to fit in here. And before winter we do have to do some work downstairs for the basement, because we did have mice coming in the basement from some holes we had left. Some very tiny holes, but
no,
they
just from
ventilation holes, the brick ones, yeah, and they're coming in and they're coming out.
We need to just upgrade our ventilation to have
mesh in front.
Yeah, metal mesh in front.
Okay, so that's gonna be the first thing we have to do, and then we can hopefully kind of get on and start framing the rest of it.
Better?
Yeah, definitely.
It's not gonna be nicely finished, but
I mean, we're working with a very crooked wall, so.
and this is not gonna be visible, so.
Yeah, it's never gonna be visible.
Then we could do it much different.
That's why we're doing it like that, because it's not visible.
Good luck to who needs to take that off.
Whoa, that worked better than I expected. I don't know why we didn't do that again when we were done with it, so we don't have to do it now, but at least we're doing it now.
Yep.
Okay, no mice should come through any of that now. Perfect.
That is definitely not possible. is a monster, no?
For its size, this little thing is quite powerful.
Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. And this way? Perfect. Perfect. As you can see, we have finished all the framing, and now after I think half an hour of trying to figure out what we want to put inside, we already kind of figured out before. That's why the fridge might not look in centers, because one side is a bit smaller, one side is a bit bigger, just because we have our cutter and heat press that we use for our merchandise. And yeah, that's why we want to put those here, stored away. And yeah, so the rest of it we're figuring out what else is going to go in here, just to figure out the height, how many shelves we want. So we figured it out after half an hour, and we decided to go with 3 over here. Well, 1 on the bottom and 2 every 25 centimeters. And this one on the bottom and 1 in the middle, just because we have more bulky things. So yeah, let's cut those up and put them on. And then in theory, they're ready to have things to be stored inside. I don't think that was correct English wording. So this one piece is perfectly one side. And it's already pre-cut on 50, so we only have to cut it in half. How I love it when we don't have cutaways or waste. Everything is getting used.
That's, you could sit on this way.
That would be so good because they're fitting perfectly next to each other, but not
No,
that
I think
way.
this will go here.
I guess maybe. Well,
Otherwise we just
okay. Well, now we made it for them. Anyways, we said on the bottom we want to put plywoods and on the top we want to put the paper for the cutter, so I think that's gonna work perfectly.
So as you can see, we are done. We have put all the shelves in, and we're not gonna make for now doors, since that is not priority. Priority is just to get extra storage for now, and then the beauty parts can be added after. For now, we just need to make it functional. As you saw in the start, this was a kind of a chaos room, so this will help a lot. Of course, we are gonna make here as well shelves, so here will be a lot more storage. And that's gonna be it for this video. That's how far we have gotten. Next up, we're gonna do the countertop, so you're gonna see that in the next video. But for this video, that's it. Hope you're enjoying this. It's gonna give us a lot more storage. Still a lot of work here to be done on that side, this side, and the top. But I feel like we're getting a lot more organized by the day. So yeah, hope you enjoy. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Professional looking almost.
Yeah.